Alright, hey, this is Hans, and it's time for another action-packed episode of Instant Noodle Recipe Time. This is the show where I show you what you could do with your instant noodles. And today, I've got something you've never seen before, maybe. Shin Red, and it's the microwavable cup. Definitely something that people seem to enjoy. I am going to take this and combine it with this. This is an ice cream maker. No, I'm perfectly sane. Watch. Alright, well, now it's the moment you've all been waiting for. Here is a Shin Ramyun cup. And here is Shin Ramyun ice cream. So before I do any plating, I'm just going to give it a try, and this should be interesting. Used a vanilla recipe. I used imitation vanilla, and that stuff was kind of gross, but the seasoning of Shin definitely, I have a feeling, overwhelmed everything. It smells like Shin. It's nice and cold. It's actually the best ice cream consistency I've ever gotten out of that thing. And then I threw it in the freezer overnight, and here it is. So let's give it a go. Cheers. Wow, that's weird. Ooh, and it's spicy too. Spicy ice cream is a very strange thing. Now, this is something I expect to enjoy hot with broth and noodles. Not like this so much. Sugar obviously makes it sweet, but yeah, after like 3 seconds, the sweetness dies down, and all of a sudden you get this like throat burn from heat. It's really strange. Would I say it's absolutely delightful and the finest ice cream I've ever had? No, but it came out pretty decent, and there's got to be a nice way to do something with this. I don't know what, so I'll just plate it. I think I will plate it on top of one of these. Putting them on top of a pumpkin spice donut just seems kind of seasonally logical to me. I don't know about you, but it just seems like a sensible thing to do. Well, you know, I put it on top of a donut. I guess I better try this plated version of the Shin ice cream with pumpkin spice donut. Yeah, I know. You probably think I'm absolutely bonkers. I think you might be right. Cheers. Yeah, this is not good at all. It's very disturbing. But it needed to be done. Why? Because has anybody else made Shin Ramyun ice cream before? It may have happened in the wild somewhere, but I don't know. First time me trying it. There will be more strange ice creams coming from me, but yeah, you'll have to see. But yeah, look at that. It looks like a pint of ice cream, and truly, it is. Anyways, this has been Hans the Ramen Raider doing things so you don't have to for over 20 years. Wishing you enjoyment of your noodles each and every day. Have a good one. Bye.